Welcome back to our channel today. I would like to present you this cute little radio. The Schaub Lorenz Weekend T50K is a compact suitcase radio dating back to 1964, crafted in West Germany. This vintage gem is a fully transistorized radio in the mid-range category, equipped with both AM and FM capabilities. The Kel in its name signifies its ability to tune into shortwave frequencies, while its counterpart, the L model, caters to longwave. Reflecting the quintessential European design of the mid-1960s, the radio features a collapsible handle that reveals its control panel. Here you'll find standard functions such as volume control, station selection, and the option to switch between FM and AM bands. Sound adjustments are made with two knobs for bass and treble, maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. The radio operates on 4 mono-D batteries and can be optionally powered by a 12V car adapter. When running on batteries, the device lacks internal illumination, but it compensates with a luminous coating on the scale that glows in the dark, a rather cool feature. Functionality-wise, the radio delivers excellent reception on FM, complemented by 2 extendable antennas. An intriguing highlight is its automatic tuning feature, swiftly locking onto the strongest signal, a rare innovation for its time.
Chefdirigent der Berliner Philharmoniker damals.
Surprisingly, despite its compact size, the radio produces remarkably good audio quality with a robust bass. Now let's delve into the internal workings of this radio. As is customary, the device suffered from occasional static and malfunction, a common issue in radios of this era due to the presence of a stability cell inside. This component serves as a small buffer battery, stabilizing voltage as the primary batteries near the end of their life. After half a century, these cells tend to fail. In this instance, the cell was replaced with a diode, leading to a slightly shorter battery life. While the device was open for repairs, all electrolytic capacitors were replaced to prevent future issues. After the initial restoration and troubleshooting, the radio sprang back to life. Only a minor issue with the base control was detected, which was promptly addressed by cleaning and replacing the associated foil capacitor in the circuit. Following these adjustments, the radio was back in perfect working order. In conclusion, the Schaub Lorenz Weekend T50K combines a sleek mid-century design with impressive AM and FM capabilities, offering a delightful blend of vintage charm and exceptional audio performance. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring the past.